Hi guys, for this weekend I'm here to show you how to make a soft and buttery condensed milk bread. It's just yummy. So let's get started. Now for this awesome recipe, to a bowl I'm going to add in 2 1/4 teaspoon of yeast, and into this let's add in 1 cup of lukewarm milk. Let's wait for it to dissolve. Then add in half cup of condensed milk. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, then goes in 1 egg, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and give it a mix. Now I'm going to add in 3 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, and gently combine it. Into this, I'm going to add in around 1/4 cup of butter. Here I'm using unsalted butter, and further combine. Further net the dough until smooth. And place it inside a butter-based bowl. And let's leave this dough for proofing. See, our dough has doubled in size after proofing. Now spread some flour onto your countertop and place your dough. And slightly flatten it. Now let's divide it into 2 portions. Then flatten again using a roller, and slightly roll it. See how I am rolling, and press the sides gently. This is how it looks after rolling. Repeat the same with the rest of the dough. Now let's divide the rolled doughs and then place it in a loaf pan lined with parchment paper, and then we will leave it to rest for about 40 minutes. This is how it should look after 40 minutes. Now let's give a coat with egg wash. And bake these loaves at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes. It's baked well. Let's leave this to cool. Now let's demold the bread. Remove the parchment paper. See how it looks. I have demolded both the breads and see how it looks. Isn't it good? Now for the glaze, I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of condensed milk, and into the condensed milk I am going to drop in 40 grams of softened butter. And mix it well. See, it has been mixed well. Let's now brush it. Very soft and buttery. Guys, it's time to leave, and I'm pretty much sure that you had a great time watching this video. So, as usual, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please follow me on Instagram too. The link is there below. Happy cooking and stay tuned.